Hi friends, Bill here with an up-close review of the Noorio B200 wireless home security system. And right at the outset, let me tell you that the only reason I'm not currently holding the Noorio in my hands is because it's mounted on the outside of my house. I fell in love with this system from the very first minute that it arrived, and I'd like to walk you through some of the reasons why that is. First and foremost, there's no subscription required to use the Noorio. It is wireless. The installation is so simple, even I can do it. The battery, internal battery on it lasts for up to 6 months at a single charge. And when the battery gets a little bit low, you simply bring it in and plug it into your USB-C charger. One comes with it as well. It's a magnetic mount, so it's not complicated to get the camera to stay on the mount that you have, whether it's stuck on the outside of your house or maybe you're going to use it inside for your nanny cam kind of a concept. One of the best things about this Noorio is the versatility of the mobile app. You can walk through the setup process as easily as scanning a QR code, connecting it to your home or your office Wi-Fi network, and you're ready to go. You completely control everything from the brightness of the lighting, to the frequency of the notifications, to the range that it's going to monitor. You can set its sensitivity levels, and if you really want to have some fun, you can go live through the camera, turn on an external light if you'd like. You can activate a microphone so that from your phone's mobile app, you can talk to whoever has activated your system. You can also turn on a speaker so that you can hear what's going on through the camera without anybody else knowing that you're listening in. It's really quite remarkable. Now, I primarily have it pointing towards our backyards and towards a shed that we have back there. But the applications for this are endless. And by the way, you can get multiple Noorio cameras and connect them all into the same app. Give them each a slightly different name. But then when the notifications come that a motion sensitivity event has triggered, it will also tell you on which camera that took place. I can't say enough good things about it. By the way, overall size, I know it's hard to tell from the graphic I have here. The overall size is a little bit smaller than a softball. This beautifully constructed orb is really durable. It's completely weatherproof. I've had it outside in all seasons and have never once been disappointed in the image that comes in the battery power. It has not. I've had to recharge it once in about 10 months, which stands to reason since the battery life is expected to be around 6 months. So 2 enthusiastic thumbs up for the Noorio, a great way to keep an eye on things around your home or your office.